What's going on, guys? It's been a while since I got to talk to you. Been really busy, but got a little something here for you. This is for a lot of people. All right, so we got a regular 1 gallon pump sprayer. We got a bottle, let's see, a 10-ounce bottle of extra hold hairspray. You're probably like, what? What kind of contraption are you doing here? Why are you putting hairspray in this? All right, so I'm going to show you what this is about. So they make a product called Light 90. A lot of big body shops out there use it. They spray it on their paint booth floors. It's kind of tacky, keeps the dust down. So this would be the DIY cheap way. Instead of spending, I think it's like $100 or something for a gallon or something like that of that stuff. So it's 10 bucks for this hairspray. If you don't have a pump sprayer, that's 10 bucks. So $20. And then after that, it's $10 a time, whatever. But you take this, you mix them together, and you spray this on your floor, and it's the exact same thing. You get the same performance out of it and everything, except you're saving 80 bucks. And if you're doing this at your house or in your garage, I mean, you can sweep your floor all you want. You can sweep it all you want. You'll never get all the dust up. So I've got a few things here we're going to show you today. Get this down. And I figured I just want to let you know something that I do. All right, let's get into it. All right, so we're back here in the booth. Got everything picked up, you know, whatever. So this, if you don't have one, if you have any type of blower, use this. I always use a blower because it blows out all the dust and everything. You can blow off your walls, everything like that, and get all the dust you can out. Even if you're doing this in your regular garage, pick up as much as you can, take a blower, blow your floors real good, and you will be amazed at how much comes off that floor after you've just swept it. It's really amazing. So what I'll do is, you know, just start blowing. I don't know if you can see, but you can see how much dust comes up just from that. So, you know, the floor is pretty dusty. You got to have that up, otherwise your paint jobs are going to turn out like crap. And I had kind of slack, honestly, in the last couple jobs and forgot to put it down. I usually do it once a week. You don't have to do it every time. I mean, I guess if you're painting more than one thing every day, I mean, you can put it down every day if you want. But sometimes it gets a little sticky, depending on the brand you got. Sometimes you'll walk and you can hear, you know, that sound. And sometimes it's all right, it just depends on the brand. But I'm gonna blow this out, and then we'll get down and we'll spray that stuff down, show you how it goes, how I mix it and everything like that, and we'll come back. All right, so we get up here, take this bottle. So this is filled, it's not all the way full, so it's probably 3/4 of a gallon or so. You can fill it all if you want, but I kind of like the ratio like that, so I dumped the whole bottle in. Now 10 ounces, that's pretty good. I mean, if you find a bigger bottle than 10 ounces, I would definitely fill up the whole thing, but I would not probably dump the whole bottle in, because the problem you'll run into is if it's a really, really sticky hairspray, is if you let this sit for a while, the nozzle will gum up, and then, you know, you got a problem, it's clogged. And then, you know, just put it on, put everything together, shake it up real good, you know, and then we'll spray it on the floor. All right, so we're back here. So now, we got it ready. It's ready to spray. So you just spray it. It might not look like it's coming out like a lot, but it's just misted on there. You don't need a whole bunch. Just mist everything really good, like you can see there where it's getting wet. And if it's not spraying out what you want, just, you know, adjust the nozzle on the end of it, and then you'll be fine. It'll spray out more. Let's see here if we can do this. I think it goes outward a little bit. But you don't need a whole bunch on the floor. You just want enough to make a layer on there to control the dust, for everything to stick to. You don't want to wet the whole floor like soaking wet. And that's basically all I do, is just go around, just, you know, spray everywhere that you're going to be painting, or, you know, if you got something that's a doorway or anything that's going to stir up dust every time you do something, those areas you want to spray as well. But that's basically it. But I can tell you right now, there's going to be a lot of people that watch this video. There's going to be people that's in big production shops, and if they see this video, I bet you they try this, because they're spending $90 or more per gallon of Light 90. And it's basically the same stuff. It's just a tacky type of something you can spray on the floor. That's basically all it is. I've tried it before. I mean, it does work, but it's too expensive. And that's how I came up with this idea. It's just thinking outside the box, just like anybody else. You know, you got to work with what you got. You can't afford to pay $100 all the time for this stuff. You know, these guys using pig mat in their paint booths. I mean, pig mat's nice, That's like $300-400, you know, per roll, I think. I just don't see the purpose of buying it. I mean, maybe it works. I don't know. I don't want to buy it. But this here works pretty good, guys. So, you know, if you're spraying at home, you're not for sure you want to try and control dust another way, that is a great way to do it. I promise you. Give it a shot if you want. Let me know what you think about it. But that's all I want to show you today, guys. Now, I do have that Porpoise gun coming, which is kind of irritating because it just left the port, I guess yesterday, so I don't know when I'll get it. And I got a truck I got to paint today, and I wanted to paint it with that, so probably be the beginning of next week before we get out. But it is the newest one out. It is the 815. It's I haven't seen anybody do a review on it, so hopefully I'm the first one to review it, and hopefully it turns out good. You never know. Might be crap, but it's not cheap, you know, so we'll get into that and see how it goes. But hey, guys, I appreciate you tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.